Welcome back, EUEE Matric candidates! Today, we are exploring the Diagnostic exam and goal-setting features of the Timiro app, developed by Dirac Innovations PLC. Once you install the app, your very first step is to establish your baseline by taking the Diagnostic test. You can access this test in two ways. If you choose Quest mode, your initial daily missions will consist entirely of diagnostic tests. Simply pick a subject and start. If you prefer Explore mode, expand any course card and tap Take Diagnostic Test. When you enter the diagnostic arena, you'll choose your subjects to establish your baseline. This timed mock test simulates the exact structure and time constraints of the real national exam. As you answer, Timiro's high-definition telemetry works behind the scenes, tracking not just your correctness, but your response speed and error patterns to pinpoint exactly where your gaps lie. Once you finish the exam, the app presents a completion screen. We highly recommend tapping Review Exam first. Here, you can inspect your answers in detail. For every question, Timiro provides a step-by-step worked-out solution and conceptual explanation. You can even tap the Ask AI Tutor button to get personalized explanations, helping you master difficult concepts on the spot. Next, it's time to set your goals. Directly on the completion screen, you can configure your target score for the subject you just tested. Need to change your goals later? No problem. You can update your target scores at any time by tapping the Target button directly on the dashboard's course cards.
To create your custom learning plan, it is highly recommended that you complete diagnostic tests for all subjects. If you prefer to jump straight into learning, you can study completed subjects immediately using Explore mode. However, if you want to unlock the full power of Quest mode and get your daily personalized study roadmaps, you must complete the diagnostic mock tests for all of your courses first. Once your goals are set and you begin studying, open the Performance Tracking tab to visualize your growth. Here, you'll find the custom simple bar chart. The dashed gray line represents your starting baseline, while the dashed green line shows your target. As you complete lessons and quizzes, your solid progress bars grow toward your target. Below, the calendar bubble chart displays your daily study effort in an intuitive grid. EUEE Prep is a team effort. Tap the Share PDF Report button at the top of the tracking screen to instantly export a beautiful progress report card. Send it directly to your parents, teachers, or private tutors via Telegram or WhatsApp so they can see your starting baseline, target EUEE scores, and your weekly study commitments. With Timiro, you are never studying blindly. Download Timiro from the Google Play Store today. Complete your diagnostics, set your targets, and share your roadmap to success. Let's conquer the EUEE Matrix together. Brought to you by Dirac Innovations PLC. Good luck and happy studying!